You know the problem. You've got some shelving, you've got some edging, and it's all made out of MDF. Everything looks fine apart from these edges, which are a pain. Well, if you've ever struggled in the past, today I'm going to show you a simple way to get these edges nice and smooth. I found this tip out yesterday when I was knotting all the woodwork in here. I just wondered what it'd be like if I put some knotting onto the bare edge of the door. So I've applied a few coats, then give it a coat of paint, and it's come up really well. So it may be worth thinking about, just if you've got some doors to do, putting some knotting on the edges to seal them. It'd be a nice rub down with a bit of 180. Really nice. So I've just spent the last 2 minutes or so telling you how to use knotting on bare MDF edges to get them nice and smooth for painting, and I was just going to do a price comparison to show you how much money you'll be saving. And guess what? You're not going to save anything, because at the moment, if you use Zinza bin, which is shellac based and it's much more versatile, you can use this on a lot more products than you could do knotting. This is about £20. If you buy a litre, oh no, sorry, 500 mils from DDC, you're looking at about £12 plus the VAT. So you're only over £24. So yeah, ignore what I just said. Use Zinza bin, because it's already it comes in white. So if you're painting white, you already saved yourself a coat. Don't use knotting, and I've learned to research my product before I make a video. So everyone's a winner. Till next time. Yo.